All right, hola, what is up? What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, please subscribe. Check out the merch, reliablehvacr.net. And in today's video, I actually wasn't sure if I wanted this. This is a pretty awesome speaker if you're in the market for one. We saw this one at Pipeline, plenty loud. We're gonna test that anyway. And it sounded really good. But they had a whole bunch of them linked together. So I want to see what one looks like and sounds like by itself. It's Packout compatible. It's kind of like a boombox. We'll go over the features. You can decide if you guys maybe are in the market, if you're looking to get one, if you have a need or want. And we'll go over all of that in today's video, a simple, short overview. All right, this is the 2956-20. It is a Bluetooth speaker and radio. If you just want to catch some tunes on the radio, you can plug it in and it's going to charge your battery as well if you plug in the outlet and the battery together. And it has audio link, so that's the one that you can share. You can share audio with any other devices, and they're usually marked with this little indicator right there, the little link, that's audio link. So I thought they were kidding at first because I think I asked there at Pipeline, but you can connect over 200 of these together compatible audio link devices, and it kind of shows you there in the back that you can mix and match. So this you can have several of the same or different ones together, and as long as they have that feature in there, you can have your crazy surround sound for your work. Or honestly, this is probably going to be because I'm fixing up the gym equipment over there, this is probably going to be a gym speaker for myself, a home gym speaker. So yeah, this is, I did a video on this one too. This is the M12 small Bluetooth speaker, and this is just a speaker, but it is Packout compatible, right? So this one has the Packout here. If you guys are interested in that one works really well. Now this one is not super heavy. I don't know if it has a pound listing. I'll check that right now. But you have your cord on this side. If you want to plug that in, that is unfortunately built into the thing. That's not a detachable cord. That would have been cool. And this is a 6-foot cord, in case you were wondering. So you got that here, and we'll take a look. There's where your battery goes in, and like I said, it is Packout compatible. So if we bring this around, so if you have your Packout boxes, whatever it is, and you want to roll this out with it, you can mount that. It's on there pretty good. And we'll go over or show you up close, and I'll put in one of our batteries here. I got a Forge one, and it slides right there. All right, so like I mentioned, that battery compartment is right here on the side. This whole area is just open, and there is nothing else in this compartment here. It's just for the battery. You do have a USB-C port right here on this side where you can charge your devices or anything like that. And that is a 3 amp, pretty much fast charging USB-C. And like I said, you can also plug this in if you're by an outlet and have your M18s charging. This could be your charger on the job site if you guys are near an outlet and you don't have a dedicated, charger on your setup. You have a speaker, which you could get multi-use out of it. You could charge a battery and listen to music. On the front of the speaker itself, I forgot to mention, this is a $299 speaker. Now it sounds to me amazing for what it is, and according to the specs here, you have two 4.48 inch subwoofers, which are going to be these two right here, and then you also have these two 1.21 inch high frequency tweeters, which are going to be up here. So you're going to get really good highs and really good lows. Obviously you got some grills on the back here, but you also have your antenna right here, so you can Take it out if you need to for better reception, or just have it tucked away like that. Here's a better look at the clip here. So if you want to take that out, set it down over here, put that back in place. All right, and on this side, above the speakers in the front, you have your interface right here, volume knob. Here's our power button on this side. Turns on, you have your radio setting on default. And then you do have a clock function on this one, kind of like the other. I have another radio from them. And it does come with batteries. All right, so according to this, there's a battery cover right where the extension cord is, right in the middle. So we should be able to just take it off here. Like so. Your batteries just go right in this section. All right, so we'll put that back and we're good to go to set the clock. The batteries, that's all they're for on any of these radios. It's just when you have a clock function, that way you set it and it keeps memory for the clock. That's it. So you have your normal play, forward, back. You can set your favorite radio stations. This is the radio button. If you're switching between Bluetooth, which has its own button on this side, we can switch over to Bluetooth. And it says that I'm connected to my phone already. That was super quick. Now, if I were to go turn on a separate radio, and I want to hit the audio link, now they should be linked together. So yeah, let's go listen to our HVAC Nights podcast and see if this works.
I'm a believer too. I'm just saying.
So yeah, you can hear
people like this one doesn't have that. So what would be their thing to bitch about? Oh, well, now it's all there's.
So yeah, you can hear surround sound basically. So if you want to listen to HVAC Nights and surround sound, link up to Milwaukee speakers and go to town. All right, it was a little hard to show you there, but yeah, if you go here, it starts in the middle. You can actually go negative to remove bass if you don't like that, or you can add a whole ton if that's what you like. So it goes in increments that are pretty good, that you can get that kind of control there. You hit it again and you get your highs, basically your treble. And again, you can go the same calibration right there and good to go. And those are the only two that you can change, which is basically your subs and your tweeters. All right, so like I said, this will be really cool for me, because I don't do job sites like construction or even residential where I can pull up with this in a Packout wheeled setup. I just can't. I'm on a rooftop. I mean, I could take this up to a roof, but I don't think I'm going to go there. This is really cool if you have. Like I said, you can roll up and you have your Packout stack, or you have a open area to put these in, and then connecting them to not only, you don't have to buy two of these $300 speakers. You can buy, a smaller one and have one further away, the big one that sounds really good, and then have one closer to. This one, for an M12 and how small it is, sounds amazing. It is just as good as this one, just not as loud and not as bass heavy, but this one works really good. I take this one around with me a lot, whether it's in the garage, when I'm barbecuing, when I'm working in the van, cleaning the van, and I'll take it with me to work sometimes if I know I'm going to be on a job site for a long time. So this one was really clutch, but this one is just, it's a monster. It's a nice boombox. So yeah, I'm going to go by what the box is telling me, because I got a different set of specs here on my phone. This one, like I said, takes M18, so they're giving you the specs here on a high output 5.0. So with a 5, you get at max volume, and this thing is nuts. If you max it out, you will get 8 full hours, again, at 100% volume. If you listen to it at 50%, which I think is most of us, you're going to get a whopping 16 hours. So this thing is really good on battery. And I like the added perk, because I like having different tools from them lately right now, that if I happen to be by an outlet and I want to plug it in instead of using or depleting the battery, it doubles as a charger. So that's kind of the thing that I like about some of their newer tools like even the top off that I got here, this one, I keep it with me quite often, and I can quickly charge or fast charge some M18s when I need to, instead of having the bigger battery with me at all times. But this one's really cool. It has Bluetooth 5.3. I forgot to mention that. And I think that's about it. It sounds really good. It's, again, $299. I don't know what the weight is. We'll get the weight right now if I don't see it listed. But it is not heavy at all. So a job site speaker, something for your garage or home, really cool. It makes more sense for jobs though, for the Packout. There is no aux cord. It's just radio, AM, FM, or Bluetooth. There is no bottle opener or anything crazy. Like I said, this side is just for the battery and that USB-C charger, and the cord on this side. So they didn't add anything else, you know, on top of it. It's just a speaker, which is like, it reminds me of like a boombox speaker, right? So check it out. I'll leave it linked down below if you guys want to, you know, go look at it, see if you're interested in it, and decide for yourself. I appreciate you guys. Appreciate you guys for watching the video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. See you guys.